TimeCube was a pseudoscientific personal webpage set up in 1997 by Otis Eugene Jean Ray. It was a self-published outlet for Ray's theory of everything, also called TimeCube, which claims that all modern sciences are participating in a worldwide conspiracy to omit his theory, which posits that each day actually consists of 4 days occurring simultaneously. Ray described himself as the wisest man on earth and a godlike being with superior intelligence who has absolute evidence and proof. For his views, Ray asserted repeatedly and variously that the academic world had not taken TimeCube seriously. The TimeCube website registration expired in August 2015. The TimeCube website did not have a navigation structure such as a menu or a central home page. Instead, it was one long continuous page. A large amount of self-invented jargon is used throughout, often never defined in one paragraph. Ray claimed that his own wisdom so antiquates known knowledge that a psychiatrist examining his behavior diagnosed him with schizophrenia. Audie Robertson of The Verge commented that Ray's theory of time is an incredibly confusing one peppered with racism and homophobia. Ray's personal model of reality, called TimeCube, states that all of modern physics and education is wrong, and argues that, among many other things, Greenwich time is a global conspiracy. He uses various graphs along with pictures of himself that purport to show how each day is really 4 separate days: sunup, midday, sundown, and midnight, formerly morning, early afternoon, late afternoon, and evening, occurring simultaneously. The following quotation from the website illustrates the recurring theme. When the sun shines upon Earth, 2 major time points are created on opposite sides of Earth known as midday and midnight. Where the 2 major time forces join, synergy creates 2 new minor time points we recognize as sunup and sundown. The 4 equidistant time points can be considered as time square imprinted upon the circle of Earth. In a single rotation of the Earth's sphere, each time corner point rotates through the other 3 corner time points, thus creating 16 corners, 96 hours, and 4 simultaneous 24-hour days within a single rotation of Earth, equated to a higher order of lifetime cube. Ray offered $1,000 or $10,000 to anyone who could prove his views wrong. Ray spoke about TimeCube at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in January 2002 as part of a student-organized extracurricular event during the Independent Activities period. He repeated his $10,000 offer for professors to disprove his notions at the event. None attempted it. John C. Dvorak wrote in PC Magazine that meta-sites that track crackpot sites often say this is the #1 nutty site. He also characterized the site's content as endless blather. When asked by Martin Sargent in 2003 how it felt to be an internet celebrity, Ray stated that it was not a position he wanted, but something he felt he had to do, as no writer or speaker understands the TimeCube. Ray also spoke about TimeCube at the Georgia Institute of Technology in April 2005, delivering a speech in which he attacked the instruction offered by academics. In 2005, Brett Hanover made Above God, a short documentary film about Ray and TimeCube. The film was likely named after one of Ray's websites, which criticized the idea that God exists. Hanover's film won awards for Best Documentary at the Indie Memphis Film Festival and the Atlanta Underground Film Festival. The song To the End of the World on Ailstorm's 2017 album No Grave, But the Sea makes several references to the TimeCube concept.